Are you looking for a way to increase profits for your business? Don't forget about email marketing. Here are the top 5 ways to use email marketing to increase profits of your business. 1. Build an email list. The first step to successful email marketing is to build a list of subscribers who have shown an interest in your brand or product. Offer incentives such as a free download or discount code in exchange for signing up. 2. Personalize your emails. Use segmentation to send targeted messages to specific groups based on their behavior or interests. Personalized emails have higher open and click-through rates, leading to more conversions. 3. Create valuable content. Provide content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to your subscribers. This helps build trust and authority, increasing the chances of conversions. 4. Use effective subject lines. The subject line is the first thing that your subscribers see, and it can determine whether or not they open your email. Craft compelling subject lines that grab attention and make your subscribers want to read more. 5. Test and optimize. Continuously test and optimize your emails to improve performance. Experiment with different subject lines, content, and CTAs to see what works best for your audience. Analyze the results and adjust accordingly. By following these 5 tips, you can use email marketing to increase profits for your business. I hope this information has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.